Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out or log out of your CoinGecko account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box and type in CoinGecko.com and search. If you're logged into your CoinGecko.com account and you are looking for a way to sign out or log out of it, then here's how you can do it. Go to the top right hand corner of the screen and click on the human icon. In the pop-up, click the sign out option and you will be logged out or signed out of your account. Remember that you must remember your credentials. If you want to get signed into your account again, always make sure you have your password and your email address ready before signing out of any account. So that is how you will be able to log out or sign out of CoinGecko account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.